how to change name on Telegram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open Telegram application on your device. After opening up, if you have got multiple accounts, then you have to switch to the account of which you want to change the name. For switching, you can simply tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the left upper corner, and you can tap on the drop down sign in the right hand side of your profile name, and from over here you can either add account or switch to another account. So in order to change your name, you have to once again tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the left upper corner, and from over here you have to tap on your profile, and after that your profile information will be displayed over here. After that, you have to tap on the 3-dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, and you'll be able to see the edit name option. You have to tap on that, and you'll be able to see your display name over here. So you can erase the name and type the name which you want to set. After arranging the name, you have to tap on tick option in the right upper corner, and by doing that you'll be able to change the name. So by following this simple step, you can change name on Telegram. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.